If I had to start from $0 today and my goal was to make $10,000 a month, this is exactly how I'd do it. No crypto hype, no secret courses, just a system that works in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap that can change your income and your life. Let's be real. Nobody goes from 0 to 10 grand overnight. But if you can make your first $100 online, scaling to $1,000, then $10,000 is just math. I'll show you how to build that income in layers, from active to semi-passive to fully automated. You can't invest money you don't have, so first, we need cash flow. I'd start freelancing, editing, writing, voiceover, or design. Learn a high-demand skill in 30 days, sell it on Fiverr or Upwork. Replace your Netflix time with skill building. Your future self will thank you. Your first goal isn't 10K, it's momentum. Get paid for your skills, then turn income into assets. Once you have cash flow, start creating content. YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. Share what you're learning, document your journey. You don't need to be an expert, just stay consistent. Content brings attention, and attention brings opportunity. Sponsorships, affiliate sales, and long-term traffic. Your content is a digital employee. It works for you 24/7. Now we scale with affiliate marketing, recommending products you believe in. Whether it's brokerages, business tools, or books, if it helps your audience, it can help your wallet. I'd create tutorials or reviews with my links in the description. Affiliate income is trust monetized. Teach first, earn later. Next, I'd create digital products, an online course, templates, or ebooks. These scale beautifully. You build them once and sell forever. Bundle your expertise into something helpful and automate the delivery. Once the income's flowing, it's time to make your money work for you. I'd invest profits into dividend stocks, REITs, and index funds. These pay you passive income, real money hitting your account monthly. Passive income is where your 10K becomes 100K, not through luck, but leverage. Here's the full roadmap. 1. Build a skill. 2. Create content. 3. Add affiliate income. 4. Build digital products. 5. Invest and automate. That's how you go from $0 to $10,000 a month. Not overnight, but over time. Ready to start your journey? Check the links in the description below for my free tools and brokerages, and hit subscribe for more step-by-step wealth building videos.